What's going on, weirdos? So, as we watch a tug of war taking place before our eyes with Bitcoin, the bulls and bears are fighting over which direction Bitcoin is going to move on its next leg, down or up. A lot of negative news coming out, guys. A lot of negative news. And I warned you guys a couple of days ago that when you see a lot of negative news, that usually signals a bottom. And just like you hear a lot of positive news, it usually signals a top. So we're going to get into it, guys. We're going to have a look at what's going on. But as we always do, let's have a look across the altcoins. Jasmi down 3% on the day, 20 on the week, 30.5 on the month, and 66 on the year. Even in rank at 101, $591 million market cap and 28 million in volume. Swift coin down 5.5 on the day, 16.5 on the week, 23 on the month, but up 82.8% on the year, down 4 spots in rank to 300. $108 million market cap and 1.90 million in volume. Onyx coin down 4% on the day, 9.3 on the week, 30 on the month, but up 729% on the year, up 2 spots in rank to 118, $467 million market cap and 28 million in volume. And Zebek, where is our Zebek? There it is. Down 4% on the day, up 2% on the week, 120% up on the month, and 212% up on the year. Down 2 spots in rank to 147, $354 million market cap, and 30 million in volume. Will we see a bit of a resurgence this afternoon? I think yes. Yes, I do. I think we're going to see a slightly green afternoon today. Bitcoin trying to make a bit of a recovery. The candle was just red a moment ago. We're back up to $104,786 as the bulls and bears have a tug of war. What we see here is big wicks on either side of the candle, guys, which shows us a level of indecisiveness in which direction Bitcoin is going to go. Big tug of war happening, guys. But as we're seeing on the down, like look, even on the top sides, look at these big wicks, right? And on the bottom, big wicks. Indecisiveness, guys. We are in a battleground right now with the bulls and bears, fighting desperately for momentum to push the market in one way or the other. So we're going to see who wins, guys. I do think that we're probably going to spend a little bit more time down in this area. We need some good news to start coming out about the Middle East and stuff like that. You know, later on in the live stream today, we'll have a look at the gold and silver charts. We'll see if that is where liquidity is in fact running to. But right now, bulls are putting up a fight, but we got to get this daily candle above 106,000 and close above there, not wick. We need to close full body candles above there. And step number 2 would be to close above the 30-day SMA, which is currently at $106,641. So that's kind of where we're watching. Can the bulls defeat the bears, or is it time for the bears to dominate the little baby bulls? We'll find out. We will find out, guys. All right, let's get into some of the news. But before we do, as always, guys, quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. Get yours today, guys, simply by using our link down below. Not your keys, not your coins. They got a 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallet, fingerprint technology. You can swap and take profits right on there without ever having to move back to a centralized exchange. You can custody your own crypto. Exchanges can't freeze your trading ability or anything like that. And you can even stake and gain APY on there as well on all your favorite cryptos. So check it out. Once again, guys, they got a 2-for-1 deal right now on the biometric wallet, or get the card wallet, a small price to pay to keep your crypto and your money safe. Not your keys, not your coins. All right, let's get into some of the news. First up, what we'll do is we will watch little Jasmi Junction clip from a friend of the channel, Neo Extrix, Neo Sun, make sure you give him a follow. He says, here's what he believes in regards to Junction. Check it out.
Here is what I believe. Decentralized cognition must be placed at the service of the common good, where humans, machines, and artificial intelligences collaborate to think, learn, and act together in a world without central authority, whatever the field. I believe in a collective and distributed cognition, built upon connected objects, decentralized infrastructures, and autonomous agents. All interconnected, all capable of learning. This decentralized cognition must respect privacy, thanks to Jasmi's technologies deployed across all physical, digital, and cyberspace networks. It must enable modular AIs to collaborate with one another, serving health, education, research, businesses, and many other sectors. A world where everyone can create together, where intelligence is distributed, where intelligence is shared, and where cognition becomes a common good. Here
you got two kinds of people when it comes to Jasmi, guys, right now. Somebody had commented in one of my videos this morning. They said something along the lines of, when is Jasmi going to pump? I've been down on this or something, and I'm tired of it or something like that, right? Well, that means that it's working. That means that the market is successfully manipulating you, because that's what happens with markets, right? This is not a game for children. This is not a game for emotional people. At the end of the day, guys, the people who behave that way lose their patience and stuff. Like that's the part I don't understand when people say, I'm tired of this. You're tired of what? What are you tired of exactly when you say you're tired? If you say you're tired of a project not pumping, that means that you don't know you don't know what investing is, right? Investing, what if you look at the stock market, what do you think that this is exactly, right? You invest, you continue to invest, you grow out your investment, you continue to grow your bag or whatever it is, and you allow time for your investment to mature. That's what investing is. So when someone says to me, I'm sick of waiting, I'm tired of this, well, then don't invest, because that's what investing is. You want to make money by investing? Guess what? If it was easy, everybody would be doing it, right? So for someone to say to me, I'm tired of this, I'm tired of waiting. Investing might as well be called waiting. That's what it is, right? That's like saying, I want to be a mathematician, and then complaining that you're tired of doing math. What? That's what you signed up for. That's what it is, right? You want to be a hockey player, but you're tired of playing hockey, right? What are you expecting here? This is a waiting game. This is a hurry up and wait. If you don't understand that, you're in the wrong industry, right? That's just it. So, and that doesn't go just for Jasmi and Jenks. There's a million other tokens out there that people have told me over the years that they're tired of waiting for it to pump. Well, guess what? Waiting is what investing in crypto is. So I understand. Somebody out there somewhere told you that all you got to do is buy something and hold it for a week or two and you're rich. That's not how it works, right? Crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a do your research, invest in solid projects with solid utility, solid companies with solid teams, continue to grow out your portfolio and expand your bags, and allow time for your portfolio or for your projects to mature, your investments to mature. That's what this is. Anything else that someone told you that this is lied to you, right? So get it together. That's all. That's it. That's all you can do. Get it together, right? Stop complaining about the time that it's taking, because that's what this is at the end of the day. Okay. So we got Mr. T once again today. This is awesome. He said this today.
Am I allowed to appoint myself at the Fed? I do a much better job than these people. So anyway, we should be 2 points lower. It'd be nice to be 2.5 points lower. We'd be saving $800 billion, $700 billion. That's a lot of money, right? Take it for nothing, for absolutely nothing. Am I allowed?
I'll make myself head of the chair, or chair of the Fed. I mean, listen, guys. People are, well, why is he so hard on Powell? Because he has to refinance $7 trillion in debt coming up, I believe, next month, right? And he needs Powell to lower rates because he does not want to refinance $7 trillion in debt at such a high rate, right? That is his motivation here. At the end of the day, he's trying to save the American people a lot of money and interest. We're talking a lot of money and interest on $7 trillion, right? So I guess his agenda and Powell's agenda, maybe they're not the same. I don't know. But so we're getting dragged into it here, guys, as crypto investors in what's going on in the Middle East. As you can see here, Iranian crypto exchange NoBitX was exploited for $81.7 million, including Bitcoin, that was permanently burned. Pro-Israel hackers group Predatory Sparrow claims responsibility and vows to release the NoBitX's source code and internal data within 24 hours, warning remaining assets are at risk. So now they are attacking digital assets. Tell me how you feel about this down below, guys. I would be very interested to know in the comment section. But for now, guys, if you need mentorship in this space from someone who's been through multiple bull runs, jump over to the Patreon, guys. We have a mentorship program over there, mentorship coaching calls that you can get into. Just book yourself in. It's absolutely free as a Patreon member. So check it out. The link is down below. We can help you with everything you need to know, guys, from portfolio structure to exit strategies, from when to take profits to when not to take profits, to how to roll profits from one project to another, technical analysis, tokenomics, how to do your research properly, how to identify studs from duds when it comes to these projects, and everything in between, guys. Like I said, tokenomics, everything, right? How to exit this market with your profits intact, hot wallets, cold wallets, gas fees, exchanges, centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges, and so much more, guys. DeFi staking, nodes, passive income opportunities. So check it out. The link is down below if you need mentorship in this space. And if you're new, believe me when I tell you, you do need mentorship in this space. And we're also live over there every single day. We drop educational content. And we just dropped another microcap gem over there, guys. We called XEN, we called ZBEC, we called Nadix. We've called so many massive winners over there, guys. We just dropped the 100X microcap gem over on the Patreon the other day. Get over there. You're going to want to get into this coin. The partnerships are fantastic. The tokenomics are fantastic. The team, everything about this play screams 100X. You're going to want to check it out, guys. It's over there on the Patreon. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.